Today I'm going to teach you a nice South Indian sabji, and I've plucked brinjals from my garden. See, there's a tomato also, that also I can pluck. So this is called gatti vankaya curry. Why it is gatti vankaya curry? Because we take small brinjals. It's really yummy dish with all sorts of ingredients which I'll show you shortly. Let's go inside and cook. Now in the ingredients, what I'm going to roast is 1 spoon of dhania, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, then sesame seeds 3 teaspoon, poppy seeds 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of methi seeds, 2 red chilies. Along with those, what I will roast is 1 inch of cinnamon, cardamom 5, cloves, some curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of coconut powder, half cup of peanuts, and half onion. Or if it's a small one, then take a small one. Generally we don't use tomato, but just because I have plucked, I will use that also. And one thing I want to tell you is, I will be using lemon juice. See, if you are generally here they use tamarind. If you are not allergic with tamarind, please do use tamarind juice. But instead I will be using lemon juice. See the brinjals? Give a cut like this. Then for marination, use a spoonful of oil, a teaspoon of haldi powder, and mirchi powder. I have used Kashmiri mirch, and salt. Salt you adjust according to your taste. Here it's 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. And now I am dry roasting first. Roast the peanuts. Roast till the covers come out. Now I will add the red chili, the cumin seeds, the dhania, and the methi seeds. See, I have used almost half cup of peanuts, and dhania 1 full teaspoon, and jeera also 1 teaspoon. After a few seconds, add the 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds and the poppy seeds. Now roast it for a minute. See, it is spluttering. Now I will add the garam masala, the ilaichi, dalchini, and the long. And now in this I will add added some curry patta in the last stage, and I'll roast it for just another 1 minute. Then I'll keep it in this plate to cool down before I grind in the mixie. Now I'll grind the masala. I have taken 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and some garlic, like 2 spoons of garlic. Now whatever we have roasted, I will give it inside this. All sesame, poppy, curry patta, nuts sab gaya. Now Kashmiri mirch 1 spoon, haldi 1 spoon, and I will give this coconut powder also. If it's more, do it in 2 times. The paste is ready. A nice texture has come. A nice aroma is also coming. Now what you do is fill the brinjals like this. Not much, thoda karke. Now I have given almost 4 tablespoons of oil. ये एक रेसिपी है जहाँ काफ़ी ऑयल लगता है. First I will be giving the mustard seeds, then the cumin seeds. Now the curry pattas. After this, add the onions. Fry till it becomes translucent. See, it has become translucent. I'll be adding little salt. Adjust the salt according to your taste. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of haldi and Kashmiri mirch powder. cook it for 1 minute in slow flame. Now add the stuffed brinjal. Here I have got 750 grams of brinjal. अब गार्डन है तो हुआ है तो बना रही हूँ, आप चाहो तो कम अमाउंट में भी बना सकते हो. Now give it a nice stir so that it gets coated with the oil. Now close the lid and wait for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, open the lid, stir it, and why I am stirring? So that masalas are uniformly coated on all the brinjals. Now again cover it for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now 2 minutes is over. Yeah, the oil is coming up. Now I will add the masalas which I have grinded. The lemon juice. Again and again I am telling you, in the typical recipe authentic, they use tamarind. Because I am allergic to tamarind, I am giving this lemon juice. Here you can add a small cup of water. जो मिक्सी में मसाला जो लगा हुआ था ना, I have added that masala also. Now stir very well. Stir like this and then cover it and cook for 20 minutes and in the low medium flame. Don't cook it in high flame, otherwise the brinjals will not get cooked properly. See, my brinjal in low flame is cooking for last 25 minutes. Oh wow! See, the oils are leaving. The aroma is awesome. I wish I could just make you taste. Brinjals are also well done. Oils are leaving. Now it is ready to serve. I am switching off my gas. The brinjal curry is ready and ready to serve in the table. Now let me taste and tell you how it is. Just too good. The brinjal is also very well done. So let me tell you one thing. This is a South Indian, a lot of oil, but sometimes we can indulge in so much oil, na? जैसे कोई guest आ गया or somebody has come, please do cook this. It's just out of the world. And in my description box, I will give you another recipe. That is called begun posto. It is similar to that, but ingredients will be different. So you see, we Indians are united, like that we east, west, south. So east ka recipe maybe you will get a similar taste. I hope you liked my video. Please do make and enjoy this Venkia curry. And if you like it, then do subscribe, share my channel, and please comment in my comment box. Thank you.